7 ways to improve your search with Google. This is a topic that came about from a conversation. Someone was saying that they wish they were better at Google search, and I said, hey, that'd be a good topic for the Guy R. Cook Report. So here we are looking at 7 ways to improve your search with Google. Now, I've put this podcast episode onto YouTube as well under the same title, 7 ways to improve your search with Google. 2018 10/16. That's a good clue. It'll be this date. The other day when I first saw this, I prepared this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report by going to time.com and having a look at the video they've got there for 7 tricks to master Google search. And we're going to look at that right now. 7 tricks to master Google search. And what they've done is they've put together a list of how it happens. And so let's see what they've got. Tip number 1, use quotation marks to search for a phrase instead of separate words. So then if you want a specific thing, use a minus sign to ignore a word. Yeah, well, that makes sense. Having cookie recipes but without chocolate chip. Well, I don't know if that's a good idea, but search privately without IP address and location tracking. And to do that, you use a private browse window. Your browser should have that. Track packages without going to the carrier's site. So if you're looking for a FedEx package, that's how you do it. Use an asterisk to find a word you can't remember, like a wildcard search. And number 6, look for similar sites. So you type related, colon, and then the search phrase that you're on about. And last tip is find GIFs using Google Images. This has saved a lot of time in the times I've used it. And there you have it. And a big thanks to the patrons that make the Guy R. Cook Report possible. And I hope that you've got some sort of a pearl from this oyster called the Guy R. Cook Report. We'll see you tomorrow. It's a wrap.